Hello everybody, this is out of the box unboxing, and in today's episode I'm going to review and share with you my opinion about this car vacuum cleaner. And on the beginning I have to admit it doesn't work. I have bought it 1 week ago, and I was waiting for the weekend to clean my car. And the funny story is that it doesn't work. I even didn't stretch out the electric cable because I didn't have a chance. So I cannot share with you how it's working. Is it powerful enough? Is it this motor which is 120 watts? Is it efficient or not? Because brand new vacuum cleaner, it's not working, it's dead. So this is a very negative feature when electric device is not working, when it's properly plugged and the power supply is okay. I don't know what happens. My impression about how it's look like is very okay. This 120 watts, I was a little bit skeptic, because if you compare to your usual vacuum cleaner, it has at least 1600. If you are in the European Union, I think it's currently the maximum power that you can purchase. But my old vacuum cleaner has 2000 watts. So compared to 120, you can imagine that it's not a lot. It's not even a 10%. So my opinion is negative about this device, but still, maybe it's a bad luck. Maybe I had a bad luck, because really, vacuum cleaner looks decent. It's handy. It's light. In the section down below you will find how heavy it is, and on top of that, this filter also looks quite nice. It's made out of paper, special paper, impregnated paper, and everything is fitting quite nicely. The device is the vacuum cleaner is. The impression is rather good. Also, those accessories that you're receiving together with the vacuum cleaner, for instance, this hose. I was thinking it will be good, especially to clean those tightly hidden coins and other things between central tunnel. And chairs inside of the car, but I was not able to test it due to this failure. So I will go tomorrow and try to change it for the brand new, hopefully working vacuum cleaner. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.